10 simple ways to remove pimples.
Wash the face twice daily. Acne is rarely the result of a dirty face, contrary to popular belief. However, it is important to remove excess dirt and oil from the skin by washing regularly. Ice can be effective in removing pimples. Applying ice can help in improving blood circulation to the affected area and in freezing the skin pores. Ice helps reduce inflammation or swelling caused by pimples. Lemon juice is citric acid, which is very rich in vitamin C. Lemon juice has many benefits for skin. It can help pimples dry up faster and reduce its redness. All you need to do is dip a clean cotton swab in fresh lemon juice and apply it to the pimples. Honey is a natural antiseptic that can prevent the growth of bacteria and speed up the healing process. Honey also has anti-inflammatory properties that can prevent the swelling and redness caused by pimples. Just dip and clean cotton swab in honey, put it directly on the affected and leave it on for half an hour. Wash the skin well with lukewarm water. Toothpaste is strange but effective remedy to reduce pimples. It can be used as an emergency pimple treatment. Using toothpaste can help to dry out pimples and speed up the healing process. You must use white toothpaste and not the gel toothpaste. Apply some toothpaste over the affected skin area before going to bed. Wash your face with water in the morning. Steaming is very good for your skin at any time. Steaming your face can open your pores and helps to remove oils, dirt and bacteria trapped in the pores, which can cause infection or inflammation. Fill a large container with steaming water and place your face close enough to allow the steam to come in contact with your face for a few minutes. Rinse your face with lukewarm water. After dyeing, apply an oil-free moisturizer. The treatment will also leave your skin clean, flushed and glowing. Baking soda is very good for sensitive skin because it will not cause any kind of skin irritation. Baking soda can help to dry out pimples and removes excess oil from the skin. Mix 1 TPS of baking soda with some water or lemon juice to make a thick paste. Apply the paste on the affected area and let it to dry for a few minutes. Don't keep it on your skin for longer as it can cause dryness. Wash your face with warm water and apply a moisturizer. Repeat the process twice a day for the best results. Peppermint is a magical herb that can help remove pimples very fast. Peppermint can help balance the production of excessive oil of the skin by balancing its pH levels. The cooling effect of the menthol present in the peppermint helps prevent the bacterial growth and reduce the irritation caused by the pimples. Crush some peppermint leaves to extract the juice and apply it on pimples and leave it for 10 minutes. Wash your skin with cold water. You can also use peppermint oil, which contains many vitamins and essential fatty acids. You can directly apply it on your pimples and massage for few minutes. Garlic has an antiviral, antifungal, antiseptic and antioxidant properties that can help in killing bacteria and fast treatment of pimples. Simply cut a fresh garlic clove in 2 pieces and rub it on the pimples. Leave it for 5 minutes and wash the skin with lukewarm water. Repeat this process several times a day for the best result. Eating 1 raw garlic clove daily can also help purify your blood. But do not to eat too much raw garlic as it can upset the stomach.
Cucumber is known for its cooling and soothing effect on the skin. It is also a rich source of potassium and vitamins such as A, C and E. Grind 1 cucumber to make a face mask and apply it on your face. Keep it for 15 minutes. Wash your skin with warm water.